Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Smallhd Accmtrackoled22 is probably one of the most sought-after professional camera monitors on the market, and for good reason, offering unparalleled clarity, vibrant color reproduction, and a suite of advanced features designed to elevate your filmmaking and video production workflow to cinematic levels, making it an indispensable tool for discerning creators who demand precision and reliability in every shot. Number 5. UBeesize LED Video Light Kit. Introducing a lighting solution designed for ultimate flexibility. Easily adjust the angle and brightness to perfectly capture your subject, no matter the shooting scenario. Enhance your content with a variety of color filters. Achieve diverse photographic requirements and visual effects, ideal for YouTube, product shots, and video conferences. This kit features a retractable tripod that extends to your desired height, perfect for tabletop or low-angle shots. It provides the ideal lighting for recording, streaming, and video conferencing. Power your lighting effortlessly with any USB port. This provides continuous illumination for your subject in various situations, making it incredibly convenient to use anywhere. Elevate your video and image quality with this professional lighting kit. It's perfect for studios and essential for anyone looking to improve their basic photography lighting for video shooting. What we like. This lighting kit offers great flexibility with its adjustable ball head and included color filters for diverse visual effects. It's powered by USB, making it incredibly convenient for various setups. If you're a beginner YouTuber or a product photographer looking for versatile and easy-to-use lighting, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. These things are bright, they plug right into my laptop, making them easy to use. Small but bright. Tons of color options. Super lightweight as well. These easily store in my laptop bag, making it quick and hassle-free to take these with me on the go. I like that I can pick different colors and then different brightness settings. The brightness these LED lights deliver is truly exceptional. Whether I'm shooting videos, capturing photos, or live streaming, the UBeesize LED lights provide the perfect illumination to achieve a professional look. The adjustable brightness levels cater to a variety of lighting needs, from soft and subtle to bright and dynamic. Number 4. FEELWORLD T77 IPS 4K HDMI Camera Field Monitor. Introducing the FEELWORLD T7, a 7-inch IPS camera field monitor designed to elevate your videography. Experience stunning visuals with its full HD resolution and vibrant color accuracy. With a 1920 by 1200 full HD resolution and a 450 candelas M2 brightness, it delivers exceptional clarity. The 1200:1 contrast ratio and 160 degrees wide viewing angles ensure every detail is visible, even in bright conditions. It supports 4K HDMI input and output, allowing you to work with resolutions up to 3840x2160p. This makes it a versatile tool for professional video production workflows. Crafted with a solid aluminum metal frame, this monitor is built for durability while maintaining an ultra-thin and lightweight design. Its 18mm thickness makes it easy to carry and mount. Achieve true-to-life colors with professional calibration adhering to the Rec. .709 color standard. This ensures your footage is displayed accurately, just as you intended. The package includes essential accessories like a mini HDMI cable, sunshade, F970 battery plate, and hot shoe mount. Everything you need to get started right away, though batteries and power adapters are sold separately. What we like. This monitor boasts a large, high-resolution IPS screen and robust 4K HDMI connectivity, all wrapped in a durable aluminum frame. If you need a reliable and professional-looking monitor for critical focus and framing on set, especially for 4K shoots, this is an excellent option. What people say. The false color feature alone is worth the entire price of the monitor. The false color features helps to get your lighting exposure perfect every time. The 7-inch display is super clear and bright, even when I'm shooting outdoors. Colors look great, and tools like focus peaking and the histogram have made it so much easier to dial in my shots. It has full-sized HDMI in and out, is bright enough for outdoor use. When using the supplied hood, picture quality is good, solid build, and lasts all day on a NPF 970 battery. Number 3. Portkeys PT6 5.2 Camera Field Monitor. Experience stunning clarity with its 5.2-inch Full HD touchscreen. Its high resolution and wide viewing angle ensure you see every detail, even in bright conditions with 600 nits of brightness. Take control of your image with advanced features like Luma and RGB waveform and histogram. These tools help you precisely adjust exposure and color before and after applying 3D LUTs. Adapt to any shooting scenario with vertical shooting capabilities and stretch modes. Its advanced functions, including new peaking and false color, offer unparalleled creative freedom. Designed for the rigors of on-the-go filmmaking, it's incredibly light at just 0.37 pounds. This makes it easy to handle and integrate into your existing camera setup. Keep your workflow uninterrupted with flexible power options. It supports popular Sony NPF and Canon LP-E6 batteries, ensuring you have power when you need it most. Unlock a world of creative possibilities with its extensive feature set. From 3D LUT output to detailed image adjustments, it's built to enhance your production value. What we like. This monitor features a responsive touchscreen with unique vertical shooting capabilities and advanced waveform analysis tools. If you're a mobile filmmaker or content creator who values precise image analysis and the flexibility to shoot vertically, this compact monitor is ideal for your workflow. What people say. The Smallhd Accmtrackoled22 has a bright and clear OLED display that makes it easy to see your footage, even in direct sunlight. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable and easy to mount on various camera setups. The monitor offers a wide range of professional monitoring tools, including false color, peaking, and waveform, which are essential for accurate exposure and focus. Number 2. Smallhd Indy 7 On-Camera Monitor. For creative professionals, this is the smartest monitoring toolset available. It features a hyper-responsive touchscreen and robust connectivity options. Even in direct sunlight, you can see everything clearly. Its 7-inch Full HD IPS LCD offers exceptional brightness and resolution. Built for demanding production, its lightweight aluminum chassis is incredibly durable. It's designed to handle the rigors of run-and-gun shooting. Take command of your camera directly from the touchscreen. It offers wired control capabilities for compatible cinema cameras. Access a powerful suite of professional tools with ease. Features like focus peaking, HD waveform, and 3D LUTs are readily available. What we like. With its exceptional 1000 nit brightness, this monitor is perfectly viewable even in direct sunlight, and it offers advanced camera control features. If you frequently shoot outdoors or need integrated camera control for a streamlined production, this is the smart choice for professional monitoring. What people say. This has all the features I need, and most importantly, it is color accurate with just a couple setting changes. What I see on my camera monitor translates almost 100% to the Smallhd Indy monitor. Has all of the perks of a normal 7 monitor with the perks of the Smallhd Extras, and really convenient to be in the same series with similar perks as the Cine 7 and the 702 Touch. Picture quality is phenomenal and really easy to use. Number 1. FEELWORLD FW568 6-Camera Field Monitor. Discover a new level of detail with our 6-inch camera monitor. Its full HD resolution and Rec. .709 color calibration deliver crisp, clear visuals, making focus pulling and image analysis effortless. Its lightweight design is perfect for any shooting scenario. Preview your creative vision in real time with support for custom LUTs. This device allows you to see your desired look directly on set, ensuring consistency from capture through post-production. It also offers built-in waveform monitoring for precise image analysis. Effortlessly connect to your camera with 4K HDMI input and output. It supports various 4K formats, making it a versatile accessory for DSLRs and camcorders. This allows directors and photographers to monitor footage simultaneously with ease. Achieve accurate exposure and focus with a suite of advanced video assist functions. Features like waveform monitoring, false color, zebra exposure, and focus assist enhance your shooting experience, helping you capture the perfect shot every time. Your purchase includes the monitor, micro HDMI cable, sunshade, tilt arm, and manual. Please note that batteries and power adapters are sold separately. You can find compatible accessories by searching for our product name with battery. What we like. This compact 6-inch monitor offers powerful features like custom LUT support and waveform monitoring in a lightweight package. If you prioritize portability and the ability to preview your creative looks in real time with custom LUTs, this monitor is perfect for on-the-go shooting. What people say. Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS display is crystal clear and provides accurate color representation, making it easy to monitor footage while shooting. The waveform and LUTs are extremely helpful in ensuring that my footage is properly exposed and color graded. The video peaking focus assist is also a great feature that helps me achieve sharp focus while shooting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.